Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, Kingsland, and welcome to 87 Western Springs Road, Western Springs. This fantastic Art Deco family home will appeal to both character lovers and to those who need some extra space. This home has all your accommodation needs covered, with 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open plan kitchen and dining, a workshop room and additional separate lounge, and a further media room. The kitchen overlooks the tropical garden and decking, which are north facing and super sunny all day. The separate laundry and several off-street parks round out the package in this fantastic offering. Supersized and ready to go, this one is going to be a hit, so make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes. We look forward to seeing you there.